Hello friends, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we will learn how to calculate the difference between two dates in terms of years, months and days using a simple formula in Microsoft Excel. There are many scenarios where we need to calculate the difference between two dates in Excel, such as age, finding the length of employee's tenure, the duration of a project, or the time between two events. It's super easy to do this in Excel. Okay, let's start. We will use the DATEDIF function, which is one of the easiest and most effective formulas in Excel, to calculate the difference between two dates. The DATEDIF function has three parts: start date, end date, and unit. The unit tells Excel whether you want the difference in years, months, or days. First, calculate the number of full years between two dates. To do this, we use the DATEDIF function with the Y unit. For example, if we have the start date 1/1/2020 in cell A2 and the end date 15/9/2023 in cell B2, the formula will be equal sign DATEDIF first bracket, select the A2 cell, comma, then select the B2 cell, comma, double quotation Y, first bracket close, then press enter. This will give us 3 years. Using the Y unit, you can quickly find out how many full years are between the two dates. Now, place the mouse cursor on the bottom right corner of the cell and double-click on it, or hold the Control button and drag down. Just it. Now, if we only want the difference in months, we will use the YM unit in the DATEDIF function. This will return just the number of months, ignoring the years. The formula will be equal sign DATEDIF first bracket, select the A2 cell, comma, then select the B2 cell, comma, double quotation YM, first bracket close. Now press enter. This will show 8 months, meaning there are 8 months between the two dates, excluding the years. Finally, if we want to calculate the difference in days, we use the MD unit. This will ignore the months and years and return only the number of days between the two dates. The formula will be equal sign DATEDIF first bracket, select the A2 cell, comma, then select the B2 cell, comma, double quotation MD, first bracket close, then press enter. This will give us 14 days. This way, we can calculate the full duration between two dates, including years, month, and days. If you want to see the full difference, including years, month, and days in a single formula, you can use the concatenate formula. The formula is equal sign DATEDIF first bracket, select A2 cell, comma, then select B2 cell, comma, double quotation Y, first bracket close. Use ampersand to join the function and mention the years. Similarly, write the month and day functions. Then press enter. This will display something like 3 years, 8 months, and 14 days. It's a powerful way to manage and analyze dates in Excel. You can calculate the age of each person as of today, or this just use today as a end date of the DATEDIF formula. The formula is equal sign DATEDIF first bracket, select A2 cell, then comma, today, comma, then double quotation Y, first bracket close, and now press enter. The DATEDIF function is popular because it's easy to use and provides quick results. Whether you need a year, month, or day difference, this function has you covered. We hope this video helped you understand how to manage dates in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Keep learning with us at EasyClick Learning. Thank you.